Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to do a little unboxing on this APR rear sway bar for the MQB platform. So let's go ahead and dive in and crack this guy open. Alright, so there you have it here. This is the APR adjustable rear sway bar for your A3s and S3s. Definitely looking forward to that install. I think that's pretty much like an essential upgrade on one of these vehicles. You know, obviously from the get-go, not the firmest ride quality with these cars. I think everybody could stand to benefit from, you know, having a little bit tighter cornering, better handling, less body roll. So I think that's a great step in the right direction for somebody wanting to tighten up their suspension. And you can see this in here. It's got the bushing upgrades there, as well as the arbor kit. So yeah, I'm about to do an install on this one next week, and then I will be back for a discussion and review on this here rear sway bar from APR. All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.